Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited because late last night, I got in 2 boxes of my Scentsy and I'm so excited to style these. So we are going to be talking about the Coastal Light Warmer today. We're going to be unboxing that. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to be talking about the Coastal Light Warmer. And although it's coastal, I felt like it would go really well in my Western boho decor home. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I absolutely thought it was so stunning when I saw it at World Tour, and I couldn't wait to order it. Okay, so that's the paperwork. All right. Oh, I'm going to need some scissors. It's in different styrofoam, which I'm glad. I don't like the other styrofoam that makes a mess. Okay, so it's got one of these lampshade warmer dishes. All right. And so I'm going to be taking it out. Oh, it's so pretty. I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to style it. I already know where it's going to go. It's going to go at my coffee bar. Let me go ahead and get that going. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the new styrofoam. Good job, Scentsy. I like this better. That other stuff just makes a mess. It crunches and, you know. All right, so we have, oh, it's an Edison bulb. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the Edison bulb. I'm so excited. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. It was on my list. I have all that stuff, but instead of doing a haul, I wanted to do them individually so I could really take my time and show you guys the warmers. I didn't want to like rush through it in with a haul, because sometimes I don't really get a chance to show everybody the stuff. Okay. So we got our Edison bulb. All right. Got all these little packets that I need to keep away from Dakota. These little silica packets. Those are poison for your animals, so you got to make sure you get rid of those. Okay. All right. Oh, it's got a glass insert. Okay, so let's unwrap that. Ooh, it's crackled glass. I love crackled glass. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let me unpackage the warmer. Okay, it's got more styrofoam at the bottom. Okay. All right, we got all that. We got that. We got that. All right. I'm so excited, you guys. I've been so ready to style it. Okay, so here is the outer casing, and it has a rope accent, which I just thought was so beautiful. I love natural elements. So let's go ahead and put our bulb in. So we're going to put our bulb in. Okay, and now we are going to put our glass insert in. Doesn't appear to have a certain direction. You just put it in. You guys, that's gorgeous. Look at that. That is so stunning. I think it's going to go well with my Western decor. And then I'll put the... Now we're going to undo this because I'm going to style it as soon as I'm done here. Maybe I'll even show you guys where I put it. Maybe I will. All right. So let's unwrap that. I'm going to plug it in. Okay. Let's put our dish in. That is stunning. Okay, where does that little... That goes there. There's like a little cutout for it. Okay. And there's the dish. All right, so 1, 2, 3. You guys, that is gorgeous. That is so gorgeous. Oh, so this should go on this side because that is the back. That is stunning, you guys. This one's called Coastal Light. And like I said, it looks like a lantern for like the ocean, but I was thinking it would look good with my Western decor as well. And I really think it will. I think it's really pretty. I'm going to put it in my kitchen at my coffee bar. That way, I like having bright ones in different rooms so that at night I can always see, you know. It's nice to have some light when you walk into a room. That is stunning. I think that is so pretty. I cannot wait to go style it. That's what I'm going to go do now. And then we'll be back and you'll get to see what it looks like. All right, so stay tuned. I think it looks beautiful. It just needs a little bit of decor or something next to it. But I think it looks really pretty. Oh, I got to put that back over. I think that's gorgeous. I love it. Love it. So this is my coffee bar, if you've never seen it. I think it looks so pretty. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. Love, love, love. Coffee makes everything better. It does. So let me know what you think. Did I pull it off with the Western? Did it look okay? Let me know in the comments. I hope you guys are having a great weekend and I'll talk to you later. Bye.